Healing the heart. A deck of hope, strength, and renewal. My heart is healing a little more each day. I release the pain of yesterday and welcome the hope of today. I am stronger than the challenges I have faced. Every scar tells a story of survival and courage. I deserve love, peace, and happiness. I choose to be gentle with myself as I heal. My past does not define my future. I trust that brighter days are ahead. I am worthy of kindness, especially from myself. Healing is not a race. I honor my own journey. I let go of what I cannot change. My heart is open to new beginnings. I find strength in every step forward. I am learning, growing, and becoming whole. Peace begins within me. I forgive myself for the times I stumbled. I am surrounded by opportunities for healing. Hope rises within me every day. I choose faith over fear. My heart is filled with resilience and grace. I release burdens that no longer serve me. I am enough exactly as I am. I welcome joy back into my life. Each day is a fresh chance to heal and grow. I honor my feelings without letting them control me. I am creating a life filled with purpose and peace. Love flows freely to and through me. I trust the process of healing. My heart is becoming stronger, wiser, and more compassionate. I am grateful for how far I have come. I embrace the person I am becoming. The light within me shines brighter than any darkness. I choose hope, healing, and happiness today. My heart is safe to love again. I am a survivor, a healer, and a source of inspiration. I release fear and welcome peace. I am worthy of all the good that is coming my way. Healing begins with one loving thought at a time. I carry strength, courage, and hope within me. My heart is healing, and my spirit is thriving. I give myself permission to heal at my own pace. I am not broken. I am becoming stronger. I choose compassion over self-criticism. My heart knows the way toward healing. I release what weighs me down. I welcome love, joy, and peace into my life. I am grateful for each step of progress. I find beauty in new beginnings. I trust myself to make wise choices. I carry hope wherever I go. I am creating a future filled with possibility. My heart is healed, whole, and filled with hope.